So we're gonna come in through the garage like I think most people do. And immediately to your left, you'll find this large, beautiful sunroom that really takes in all of the yard. So you can see the driveway over here that leads to that barn in the back. You can see the entire yard. It goes all the way back. There's a fence back there. You may not be able to see that, but it's back there. So it's really private. You can't see your neighbors. You can barely see a little roof line right there. Again, this also goes back to a fence on the side. This is a potting shed. It does have running water and electricity. And there is a covered patio. And this is the eat-in area. So this was used as a kitchenette, kind of, the kitchen is right through there. So they would come out and have meals over here. You could easily also make a big dining space on this side of the sunroom, as it's quite long and large. There's a large mini split in here. It does a great job. And then also in this section, you'll find the half bath with washer dryer. Also, there's a barn door. I'm gonna try to show you that from the other side because it is kind of cute. The barn door closes off, so you can come in from the garage and go right into that area and do your laundry, wash up, and the barn door closes to give you some privacy. But also accessible from the kitchen area so that you could do some laundry coming this way as well. From the dining area, it leads right into the kitchen. Bosch appliances, stainless steel. Dishwasher and fridge are newer. There is a wall oven and a cooktop. There is gas in the home that was put in December, but the owner had this electric stovetop and loved it, so she kept that in place, but you could easily hook up to gas if you wanted a gas range since it's already in the house. From the kitchen, one more thing I wanted to show you. This is a great way to do a pantry. All of these drawers pull out so that you are easily accessible to all of your dry good items. And then on the front there's a little fold down ironing board, which is a throwback to the olden days when this house was built. Original part of the house was built in 1930, and there have been subsequent additions to that. We do have another mini split here in the living area, some built-in cabinets here. The radiators are here because the owners just really loved how cozy they were. They put in new gas furnace in December, easy enough to change out and put in baseboards, but they preferred to keep the radiators. This is all wall-to-wall carpeting. However, underneath this wall-to-wall carpeting is the original pumpkin pine flooring that is similar to this back hall flooring. They painted this black, and I was informed that this is painted white. So should you tear this carpeting up, you will find white painted pumpkin pine flooring underneath most of the room. Leading from this dining space is the primary bedroom on the first floor. There are some built-ins. This was added later. I think the owner mentioned the 80s. So triple closet here with built-ins. So this, I think, makes a room even bigger because you don't need to have a dresser. You can have all your foldable items here. Then you have these two double closets. Lots of airy light. And there's also another closet over here. So there's plenty of space to hang things. Another mini split in this room. And the owner added this nice marble and quartz bathroom I believe it is quartz and marble flooring. Not long ago. Again, more of the pull-out drawers, very convenient. Nice large bathroom. So that finishes up the downstairs. There's also an entrance to the basement. The basement was underneath the original house. So right where this door, that used to be the front door is my understanding. Or the back door rather, take that back. That was the back door. That's the front door. You can see the views from here. You've got beautiful plantings. You can see some of the flowers from the front garden beds. This is a nice big bow window. It's really muggy, so I've had the AC running and there's a little condensation on the glass, but that's because it's nice and cool in here. So literally a walk to Encore, to the theater, to the playhouse. It's across the street. You can walk down and go to the bank. You can go to the post office. You can go to Escargot Cafe. You can go to church. There's a cemetery over there. There's just so much down here in Dennis Village, an ice cream place around the corner. So there's so much to see and do. It really is a great location and a wonderful lot. Out here you have your bulkhead down to the basement. And wood burning fireplace. Okay, so now we're gonna head upstairs. This is some of the fun part of the older home. When things are added on, you still have the original window here into what is now an attic. And this is also into what is now an attic. They're all original flooring here. They were all painted back in the day, and so they're still painted. 2 closets here. This was used as an office. It is a closet. This is how I remember closets looking. But there's also built-ins in here. So you have some shelving and again, drawers. So again, you don't really need to have a dresser here. You could certainly use what's available and save some space in the room, but it's quite a large bedroom. I believe at one time there was a queen in here, so there's plenty of space to put in a queen bed, maybe even a king. Across the hall is your full bath, another full bath with a bathtub and sink. And the third bedroom, again, painted floors. You have the closet. Just give you a quick peek of what those look like. And this is kind of fun. This is an old attic space that is amazing storage. So you've got, you've got lights up here and lots of places to store stuff that maybe you don't need right away. And again, these beautiful hardwood floors in the attic. Who would have thought, right? I meant pine floors in the attic. Those were not hardwood, but these are also pine. And that's our tour of this house for now. I hope you all come take a look. It's really a really cool, funky, fun place on an amazing lot in a fabulous location. Have a great week, everyone.